Hey everybody, welcome in today's session. In today's session, what we're going to go over are the pairs or the trades that we took during the week, how we managed them, the wins and the losses, and the lessons that we got along the way. So if that sounds interesting and you want to grow with us, please do stick with us until the end. Don't forget to share, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever we release content like this in the future. Cool. So in this week, we only took two trades. Both of them were Euro USD. Fortunately, it was a winning week. Both of the trades hit take profit. No trade hit stop loss. So this week, instead of saying the best and the worst trades, we're just going to say the best trades. Hey, don't hate the player, hate the game. I'm joking. So obviously, both of the trades went over 100 pips, hit take profit. One went 200 pips. Like the first trade was 200 pips, the second trade was 100 pips. And the crazy thing is, the first trade was a 1:5 and the second trade was a 1:R, despite catching fewer pips. And that's, I think, something that a lot of people struggle with. Like, people believe if you capture more pips, then you make more money. Like, that's far from the truth. Like, it doesn't matter how many pips you catch. It all comes down to how much you're risking and how much you're aiming to make. In this trade, we caught over 200 pips. We made 5%. In this trade, we caught 100 pips and we made over 8%. So you can see it's never about the pips. It's never about the pips, right? So you guys should understand that it's never about the pips. It's more about the risk to reward. How much am I risking to make what? Like, what's my risk? What's the reward that I'm getting, right? So you should never confuse that and always be looking for the risk to reward, never for the pips, right? All right, cool. Now, with that being said, let's look at the two trades that we took. Both of them were Euro USD, obviously. So the first trade, obviously, we understood like prices are in this kind of an uptrend. So we saw prices bounced off here, and then they broke above this market structure here, and then gave us this kind of a retest. And I was like, okay, cool. So we still see this as a higher high, obviously, but currently we saw this 4-hour kick in, this 4-hour with this crazy bullish momentum. And I was like, yo, if this 4-hour momentum persists and it keeps on going higher, it has a bigger probability of tapping all the way until it reaches up here, right? Now, this was kind of a risky entry, and I was like, if prices reach on this resistance and then reverse, we'll already be at break even because we'll already be at 1:R or 1:1R, right? So I was like, okay, cool, it's worth the risk. So we took the trade after this break, retest, and this solid continuation confirmation candlestick. We took the trade. Prices started by giving us kind of a reversal, and then the momentum kicked in, pushed above this structure, and I was like, okay, cool, now it's game on. Structure has been broken. So we waited for a retest, and then on the lower time frames, we took a trade on the 1 hour here. You can see here on the 1 hour, we took the trade after the retest. Our stops were just below this candle, right? And then prices never reached all the way back here, and then just kept on pushing higher until our targets were hit. So it was a beautiful trade. These were beautiful trades, guys. Both of them were simple break and retest trades. Both of them were simple price action strategy, break and retest. No whatever complex thing you want to call, I don't know, liquidity, choke, order block, F all that. Like, keep it simple. It's that easy. I made 13% of this. No, I made 11, but obviously if you held all the way to take profit, you would have made 13. So I closed off early on because I hit my targets, my weekly targets. But at the end of the day, it's very simple to trade, guys. It's very simple. Simple price action, break, retest, continuation. You don't have to complicate it, make it so complex, no indicators, as you can see. So literally, it's pure price structure, and that's all you need in order to be, successful in your trading. So again, thank you guys for tuning in. That's all I have for today, obviously. Be sure to subscribe, because tomorrow I'll be posting in the video of the pairs that I'm watching for the coming week. And if you want to see that, you don't want to miss that, I believe, be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss out. Other than that, guys, I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching this video. I love y'all, man. I love y'all. Peace and love. Have a great weekend, everybody. Enjoy.